Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what's new on my bead mat. I'm trying to do this every week just to show you things I'm working on. Last week I was working on my sea bead bracelets. If you didn't see that video, you can check it out. It's just click on the link above where it says videos, go to my main page and show you. So this week I just posted a video where I showed you I combined Dee Dee's Deluxe Bead Box and Bargain Bead Box, both for the month of June, and I made a bunch of stuff. So this bracelet also had a few of the beads from that, so I showed that in this video, but I said I'm going to show it in this video. Wait. I said I was going to show it in that video, but I wanted to show it again in this video too, because most of these beads were my own stash. So yeah, so this was one of the bracelets that I worked on, and that is actually from Sam's Bead Box right there. I loved those little flowers from the June Summer Fun box. So I have that, and then I put this little tassel on it. So yeah, I thought this bracelet's really pretty, and it's got a little extender chain on it. So it can go from like a 7-inch wrist to an 8-inch wrist. So I have that, and then this next bracelet that I made, it's another one, but this one is connected. So it's got 4 strands, and they're all connected by the jump ring. And this is one big long one. So, I mean, technically you could wear it as a necklace if you wanted to, but usually what I do is I just take it, and then I wrap it up like this. And this bead was from Jesse James Bead Box from this month. And this is from Bargain Bead Box a couple months ago. And then these are just some little leaf beads that I had, some rondelles. These were some crystals, I think, from Jesse James Bead Box a while ago. And then here's some more from this month from Bargain Bead Box. So, but everything else, I think, oh yeah, and these were, yeah, those were from Bargain Bead Box too. But yeah, so I like doing both kinds of bracelets. I like doing the one where it's like, you know, 2, 3, or 4 wraps, and then this one is just a long one that, you know, you can just wrap like that. So it's kind of fun. So you can, you know, I like doing both kinds of bracelets, and I love memory wire bracelets too. And this next set is, it's agate. So here is the necklace. And I just use some tiny crystal bicones with silver hematite round spacers in between. Then I put these right there. So it's kind of pretty little necklace there. And I made these earrings to go with it. Thought those were pretty. I have the earrings, the necklace, and then I made this bracelet. Now again, this is another bracelet that's long. You could wear this as a necklace too if you wanted to. But yeah, it's just supposed to be just like a double wrap bracelet like that with the lobster clasp. So this has been a really crazy week in my house, and when it is, and I've got so much going on, we went to a concert this weekend, and we actually had, it was so much fun. We actually had front row in Tampa for REO Speedwagon, Styx, and Loverboy. Now, if you're an 80s girl like me, you will love that. And I have to show you what I caught. So, you know, they throw the guitar picks out on stage. So I caught Kevin Cronin, the lead singer, REO Speedwagon. I caught his. And then I caught Tommy Shaw's from Styx. And Tommy's so cute. I never really, you know, really noticed him too much before, and I've never seen Styx in person. I was like, oh, he's such a cutie. My husband kept saying, okay, quit looking at him. So it was pretty funny. But So yeah, so we were gone and did that and everything, so I didn't get a chance to really film too much more. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and I have a lot more videos coming up. Hopefully things are going to be dying down soon, the next couple days, so I will get some more videos out to you. So so far this is all I've been working on this week on my bead mat. So I hope you enjoyed this, and let me know down in the comments what you're working on. And thanks for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And you can follow me on all my links below for Etsy, Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram. And I do post on there. So, and Etsy, I post most of my jewelry that I make on Etsy to sell. So if you're interested in anything, you can go on there and check that out. So thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day.